You may feel invisible in this industry, overlooked, like no one's listening and no one's hiring. But let me tell you something. You are exactly who the packaging world needs right now. Not in 5 years, not after another trade show, right now. And I'm going to show you why. Now, I've been in the packaging industry for over 35 years. I've never seen this much fear, confusion, and change all at once. AI is here. Margins are being squeezed. Manufacturers are desperate for new business. And reps are being let go because they were trained to take orders, not solve problems. But here's the good news. A few years ago, I felt like a ghost in this industry. I had manufacturers leaving me, legal advice that cost me dearly, and I was literally fighting to survive with one arm, and a promise to my family that I would not quit. But something clicked. I realized I don't need to sell everything. I just need to sell the right things to the right people in the right way. I stopped chasing every box and started solving real packaging problems, custom projects with vetted suppliers that have unique structures. And guess what? My clients came back. New ones found me, and now I'm building systems and content that help others do the same. Now here's what I've learned and why it matters now more than ever. AI will replace the order takers, but it'll never replace the real advisors. If you're curious, if you care, if you ask better questions, you're irreplaceable. Commodity packaging is collapsing, but specialized solutions are rising. The world needs connectors who understand what's possible, not just what's cheap. Your story, your sincerity, your scars, they make you magnetic. People don't want polish, they want real. In your journey, it's something else, someone else's roadmap out of fear. Now here's my point. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with Hoover, Playtex, International Truck, Craft-Made Cabinetry, and what I'm getting at is all the things I did over those years was doing and getting involved in specialized packaging, problem-solving packaging. It's a different sale. It's not one of those ones that you just pick up or send an email to Uline. There's a process. There's a bit of a dance and some foreplay back and forth with a client. There's an opportunity here to penetrate an account in different ways and meet different people, but it's something that traditional packaging people have not been trained to do. We've been trained historically to do a deal, make a deal, get a contact, get an order. And in this world, that's the people, or those are the people that are going to get replaced by AI. Those of us that are able to ask questions, able to stop and listen, able to work beyond just the commodity packaging, those are the ones long-term in the packaging industry that are going to win. And it's absolutely critical that I share this message and share this insight with packaging people that want to get beyond commodity sales and survival into really growing 6-figure, 7-figure businesses, okay? So here's what I want you to do. Stop hiding. Stop waiting for your company or your sales manager to give you permission. Start learning. Learn how to source better, sell better, speak better. Start showing up, post, record, ask for help. And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. And if you don't know where to start, I build a roadmap for reps like you. For manufacturers trying to grow without cold calling into the void. It's called the Smart Selling System, and it's built on the same principles that saved me. Look, you're not behind, you're not done, you're not alone, you are not too young, you're not too old or too late or too stuck. You're exactly who the packaging world needs right now. Don't quit this industry because it's hard. Don't move on because you're not sure, your sales manager hasn't trained you. That's their problem. You can kill it out here if you're willing to do the work, learn what you need to learn, partner with people like us that can help support you, guide you, and get you beyond this commodity bullshit into finally selling higher margin, very sticky packaging that companies want and need. That's the beauty of this. I hope you found this helpful. Please like this video, subscribe, and tune in. I'm trying to make sure I use everything that I can to share and guide and help people in this packaging space get out of the industry what I get out of it. And it's something I'm still passionate about. Even at 60, I'm extremely passionate about and optimistic about where this industry is and where it can go. Like I said, I hope this is helpful. Thanks.